Okay, so what is a lookalike audience? Well, you can guess what it would be. They look like people in your custom audience. So it's really that simple. That's why they're called lookalikes. But that's not all. Facebook creates them based on their data and your data. It's kind of a mix. So they look at all the people in your custom audience, and then they find people that look similar to those people to make an even bigger audience for you. It works great. I mean, Facebook has a ton of data, which is awesome, right? The best part, we can run ads to the lookalike audiences that Facebook creates for us. How awesome is that? So we have retargeting lookalikes we can run. We have add to cart. We have purchase. We have all these lookalikes that we can run. So you want to see how to do it? Of course I'm going to show you. With the audience tab in our account, it's very simple. Let's dive in. Next video, how to create lookalikes.